guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and we're going to be demoing using alcohol inks and Yupo Card. Our Yupo Card that we're going to be using is the A5 sheets, which is 272 gram. So it's a heavyweight card, which is really good if you've got some heat going onto it, which I will have using my hairdryer. Although it will be on a low setting, there will still be heat, and the thickness means that it won't warp like paper would under a lot of heat. Okay, so I'm going to use a couple of colours. I think I picked the stone washed and I picked mushroom. So we'll see how we get on with those. I might add another colour until you actually start seeing it move and work together on the card. Sometimes I can't decide whether to add another colour or not. But it's all about just, you know, having a play, giving it a go. They're great fun to use, they really are. So I've got my alcohol blending solution here. I've just put that in a little container with a fine nozzle. So apart from that, we're good to go. So starting with the stone washed, just going to pop that down and then use the alcohol blending solution. I use quite a lot of the blending solution because I want it to be like a smoky effect, and so obviously the alcohol blending solution will dilute it quite a lot. So you can see I'm working my way around the ink, and you can see it moving, and that's all I want to do. I just want to keep it contained within that area, like so. If I was to put that on its side and just blow it, it would shoot the ink across the card, which is not what I wanted to do. So moving on to the mushroom, I'm going to pop that down. Again, just quite a lot of blending solution, and then we're just going to move that around. I've just put the alcohol blending solution just down the edge there, just to take that harsh edge off. And that's all we need to do. So I'm going to just carry on working my way at the card now. Okay, so I hope you can see that, and that beautiful effect, that smoky effect that it's given you, and that's just through using the inks and the alcohol blending solution, and then just a hairdryer, and just taking your time and just moving the dryer around the colour, keep it contained, and you can create some really beautiful effects. I hope you enjoyed watching that, guys. I will be stamping onto that a bit later on. Okay, so we've got our lovely smoky background here, and I'm just going to stamp some nice words along the edge here and here. Again, I'm just going to use the archival. So inking up, I'm just going to pop that down there, and this time I'm going to take off and pop the next one up, like so. And I just think that that in itself is enough. I don't want to take my eye away from what's going on here, that lovely smoky background. But it's a great technique to make for background papers or even cards.